Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the recent updates of Instagram about settings and privacy. Let's start. At first you have to open the Instagram app. As you guys know that Meta changes their settings usually. For this you may find some difficulties about the options that you have already used. Now I'm going to show you the recent updates on Instagram about their settings and privacy. Now tap on your profile. After that, tap on the menu bar, and in here you guys can see settings option. Tap on here. After that you can find out a lot of options, and from here you can change your settings and privacy on Instagram. For example, I'm going to show you the first option, which says follow and invite friends, and in here you can invite your friends by WhatsApp app or by email or by SMS. You can also invite them by sharing the link of your account through other apps. Now let's go back, and in here if you tap on notifications you can find out a lot of options related to notifications. If you turn it on, then you won't get push notification, but you will be able to see new notifications when you open Instagram. You can also choose the time. I'll tap on cancel because I'm not going to pause all. Then you can find out post, stories and comments notification. If you tap on here, then you can change the settings, like if you don't want to get the notifications about any other post or stories that you're tagged in, then you just can turn it off. Then let's go back. After that, tap on here, and then you can see privacy option. Tap on here, and in here you can make your account private. Just turn it on, and then this account will switch to private. Now let's go back, and in here you guys can find out the security option. If you tap on here, you can change your password, or you can see your login activity, or you can save your login info, and then you can also start two-factor authentications. And then if you tap on emails from Instagram, you can see the emails, and then let's go back. After that, if you tap on account, and then you can see a lot of options. By using that you can also change your accounts. For example, if you tap language, you can change your app's language. Now let's go back, and if you tap on dark mode, you can also find out two options. You'll be able to turn off the dark mode. Now let's go back, and in here you guys can find out Meta account center. If you tap on here, then you can find out the other accounts related to Meta. If you tap on here, you guys can find out your Instagram account and also your Facebook account. If you want to sync them, then you can also do it by tapping on here, and then tap on your profile, and if you turn it on, you'll be able to access your account, and also you can sync your profile info. Now let's go back. If you want to manage your Meta accounts, you can also do it. For example, if you want to change your Instagram account's password as well as you want to change your Facebook account's password at the same time, you can also do it by tapping on logging in with accounts. Like if you choose allow all accounts to log into each other, or if you choose which accounts can log into other accounts, you can also do it. Now let's go back, and if you tap on accounts, then you can find out the other accounts. You can also add other accounts of yours, or you can remove the accounts that are logged in right now. Now let's go back. If you want to log out, you can also do it by tapping on here, or if you want to know about your logins, tap on here. So these are the recent updates of settings and privacy on Instagram app. Hope this video helped you. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.